Start. A, N, the, to, of, on, but, or, ought, who, and, should, put, be, to be, it, had, do, different, difference, much, which, each, how, why, beyond, you, large, can, come, go, give, given, for, have, shall, thank, thanked, think, though, them, was, whose, wish, that, with, what, would, or, he, when, by, thinked, usually, as, has, is, his, because, its, itself, those, theyself, thus, these, things, this, me, him, myself, himself, special, specially, speak, subject, subjected, several, in, any, one, your, year, our, our, ourselves, themselves, as we have, as we can, as well as, in this city, this is, as has, is his, first, influence, influenced, next, most, language, owing, thing, young, lord, we, principle, principally, liberty, member, remember, remembered, truth, doctor, dear, during, chair, cheer, larger, care, number, people, numbered, belief, believe, believed, tell, till, deliver, delivered, delivery, largely, call, equal, equally, over, however, valuation, from, very, there, more, remark, nor, near, surprise, surprised, sure, pleasure, they are, been, journal, journally, within, southern, northern, behalf, advantage, difficult, balance, circumstance, circumstances, deliverance, signify, signified, information, subjective, subjection, signification, satisfaction, justification, generalization, dear sir, yours truly, every circumstance, all circumstances, you will remember, I believe, I will tell you, I am surprised by all means, at all costs, in our opinion, everything, mere, Mr., nor, near, significance, opinion, remarked, significant, something, anything, nothing, as soon as, last year, at first, just now, whether, impossible, important, importance, improve, improved, improvement, quite, could, accord, according, cared, guard, great, called, equaled, cold, gold, without, wished, cannot, gentleman, particular, opportunity, child, build, building, told, tried, trade, I have been, I had been, better than, carried on, our oven, which have, out of, their oven, for whom, of her, to her, if it is, I am not, you may not, I will not, this word, we would be, at all times, able to make, cheered, cheered, sent, third, short, sprit, yard, word, rather, writer, wonderful, wonderfully, toward, towards, hand, under, therefore, school, schooled, in there, I know there is, take their way, I can be there, has to be there, upon there, you will be able to, we are able to, at the same time, at some time, for some time, according to the, that was, this was, there must be, your last letter, most important, selfish, selfishness, inscribe, inscribed, inscription, instruction, instructive, coming, thanking, wishing, calling, surprising, as we know, again and again, deeper and deeper, higher and higher, faster and faster, lower and lower, less and less, more and more, Mr. and Mrs., nearer and nearer, over and over, appointment, attainment, contentment, assignment, entertainment, enlightenment, abandonment, oneself, ironmonger, demonstrate, remonstrate, remonstrance, ministry, manuscript, monstrous, henceforward, thenceforward, expect, expected, inspect, inspected, inspection, prospect, respect, respected, architect, architecture, architectural, retrospect, imperfect, imperfection, imperfectly, suspect, suspected, object, objected, project, projected, prospective, perspective, productive, obstructive, objective, destructive, destructively, retrospective, irrespective, irrespectively, production, obstruction, objection, objectionable, destruction, jurisdiction, introduction, retrospection. From us, please inform us, to us, as we have, as we can, as we cannot, as we do, as we think, as we shall, as we may, as well as usual, as well as can be, as soon as we can, as soon as they, it is said, for its sake, in this century, in this city, in this subject of this statement, this has been, at first cost, who have not, out of doors, rate of interest, state of affairs, Thursday afternoon, Thursday evening, Wednesday next, Wednesday first, in our view, in our statement, it appears that by all means it is only necessary, it can only be, it may only be, they will only be, longer than, more than, any longer, no longer than, rather than, smaller than, going on, at all hour on, have been expected, have been informed, have been returned, at all events, into effect, incorporated association, medical association, political association, traders association, apposite, apposite, apathetic, pathetic, approximate, proximate, absolute, obsolete, auditor, daughter, accept, across, cross, afar, far, affect, effect, effaced, faced, emotion, motion, altitude, latitude, adapt, adopt, extricate, extract, commissioner, commissioner, exaltation, valuable, valuable, amazing, amusing, innovation, invasion, lost, last, layman, sulfite, sulfate, humanly, humanely, chilly, chill, monarchy, monarch, amicably, amicable, monkey, monk, manly, manual, enemy, name, anomaly, animal, snow, sun, liberally, liberal, radically, radical, peculiar, peculiarity, perform, performed, performs, performance, performer, perpendicular, public, republic, republican, publish, published, publisher, publication, practice, practice, practiced, practicable, prejudice, prejudiced, prejudicial, prejudicially, preliminary, advertised, probable, probably, probability, proficient, proficiency, proportion, proportioned, proportionate, subscribe, subscribed, subscription, substantial, substantially, deficient, deficiency, deficiently, description, difficulty, discharge, discharged, distinguish, distinguished, advertise, advertisement, January, capable, character, characteristic, commercial, commercially, cross-examine, cross-examined, cross-examination, exchange, exchanged, expediency, expensive, special, especially, esquire, establish, established, establishment, immediate, imperturbable, magnetic, magnetism, manufacture, manufactured, extinguish, extinguished, govern, governed, government, familiar, familiarity, familiarize, familiarization, February, financial, financially, efficient, efficiency, efficiently, manufacturer, mathematics, mathematical, mathematically, mathematician, maximum, mechanical, mechanically, metropolitan, mortgage, mortgaged, enthusiastic, enthusiasm, incorporate, incorporated, independence, independent, independently, indispensable, indispensably, individual, individually, informed, informed, informer, interest, investment, neglect, neglected, negligence, never, November, sensible, sensibility, electric, electrical, electricity, recoverable, irrecoverable, reform, reformed, reformer, regular, irregular, relinquish, relinquished, represent, represented, representation, representative, responsible, responsibility, irresponsible, irresponsibility, organize, organized, organizer, organization, certificate, uniform, uniformity, uniformly, unanimity, unanimous, unanimously, yesterday, parliamentary, prospectus, telegraphic, telegram, satisfactory, administrator, administratrix, questionable, questionably, falsification, amalgamation, amalgamate, minimum, sympathetic, investigation, insurance, knowledge, acknowledge, inconsiderate, influential, influentially, intelligence, intelligent, intelligible, defective, executive, executor, English, executrix, Englishman, England, legislative, legislature, arbitrate, arbitrator, arbitration, arbitrary, wheresoever, whereinsoever, with, whithersoever, universe, universal, universality, howsoever, whensoever, altogether, together, circumstantial, thankful, remarkable, whatever, whenever, misfortune, unprincipled, notwithstand, notwithstanding, denomination, incandescent, incandescence, enlarge, enlarger, inconvenient, nevertheless, irremovable, removable. Please let us know in the early part, older than, Monday afternoon, Monday evening, you will not, some other, my dear sir, most probably, in this manner, animal life, in reply to, we have concluded, all the way, difference of opinion, fact of the matter, in connection with, side by side, there must have been, stop.